Bugatti Veyron costs more to maintain per year than most people earn. $100,000. Not to drive it, to keep it parked. This is what happens when a car becomes a liability. The Veyron has 16 cylinders, 4 turbochargers, 10 radiators, and one catastrophic design flaw. It's almost impossible to service without destroying your bank account. Start with the oil change, $25,000. Not because the oil is special, because the engineers buried the drain plugs into the entire rear end of the car. You can't just pop the hood. You dismantle half the vehicle, the rear clamshell, the under tray, the diffuser, all of it, gone. Just to drain oil. 4 technicians, 3 hours. For an oil change, 16 drain plugs. Each one torqued to a specification so precise that if you're off by a fraction, you've voided a warranty worth more than a house. 26 quarts of oil. Standard cars use 5. Then there are the tires. $38,000 per set, and they expire in 10 years. Even if you never drive the car, even if it sits in climate control, the rubber compound hardens, the structural integrity fails, and Bugatti will not let you register the car for track use with expired tires, so you replace them, whether you've driven 200 miles or 0. But here's where it gets worse. The wheels themselves need to be X-rayed, not inspected, X-rayed. Every other service, $50,000, because the wheels are magnesium alloy, lightweight, fast, and prone to microscopic fractures that will grenade at high speed. So every 2 years, whether you've touched the car or not, you're paying for radiographic imaging. For wheels, the brakes are next, carbon ceramic, $50,000 to replace. They're designed to stop a 2-ton car from 120 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, which sounds impressive until you realize they wear out in 6,000 miles under hard use. And even under normal use, Bugatti recommends inspection every year. The bill keeps growing. The transmission fluid, $8,000. Not because the fluid is rare, because accessing the dual-clutch gearbox requires lifting the entire drivetrain. And if you skip it, if you decide you'll just wait another year, the clutch packs overheat, the solenoids fail, and suddenly you're looking at a $120,000 transmission replacement for a fluid change. Now let's talk about the factory service myth. Bugatti doesn't require you to ship the car to France. That's a myth. But the truth is somehow worse. They send what they call flying doctors, technicians who fly to you, with specialized tools, proprietary diagnostic equipment, and a bill that makes a cardiac surgeon look affordable. You're not paying for labor. You're paying for the fact that only a handful of people on Earth are certified to work on this car unsupervised. And if something goes wrong outside of service, the parts aren't sitting in a warehouse. They're made to order in France. The lead time on a replacement headlight assembly is 6 weeks. The cost is $18,000 for a headlight. But the most absurd cost isn't parts. It's depreciation. A Veyron costs $1.7 million new. Today, a used one sells for around $1.2 million. You've lost $500,000. And you still owe $100,000 a year just to keep it legal. The annual service isn't optional. It's written into the ownership contract. Miss it, and your warranty is void. Your resale value craters, your insurance becomes unrenewable. You're not buying a car, you're buying a subscription to a machine that punishes you for ownership. And the wild part? Bugatti owners accept this, because the Veyron isn't about driving. It's about status. It's about being one of 450 people on Earth who can say they own the thing. The status costs $100,000 a year, every year, forever. The Bugatti Veyron isn't a car. It's a financial black hole with a W16 engine, and the people who own them don't care.